Hello, my name is Ugochukwumosu, aka Ugo the Analyst. Today, we are looking at other data types. We're looking at other data types. Last class, we talked about the courses table, but today we are looking at But because we don't want to change the courses table, well, let's look at changing it to courses new. But before then, let's try to launch our our app. Let's try to launch our app and see what happens. Okay, so let's try to launch our MySQL workbench and try to see what happens when we insert the codes into it. So we are waiting for the workbench to load so that we can see what happens to uh, the system. It's now asking for the password. I'll quickly put in the password, type in the password. Okay, loading. Whew. Okay, because we've not used this for a while, we'll have to uh, see if we can show all databases. Then we'll try to see the databases and the description of the various tables in each of them. Okay, we are here. Just to be sure, let's see what happens when we say select. Um, okay, sorry, show databases. Let me show. I always say okay using capital letter. Show databases. Show databases. Yes, good. And try to see what happens to show us the various databases. So we have data analyst and so on and so on. Okay, so now let's select data analyst. Let's select data analyst. Select select now data and all right, it's showing in the schema. Okay, press enter and let's see what happens. Let's see from here unknown. Okay. Oh, select database. It should be show database, right? Um, select database, data analyst. Sorry. Select database, data analyst. Okay. Okay. Let's take this away. Okay. Okay. All right. Now, let's see if we can describe or show the tables in this. Show, show tables. Let me see if it's actually the database we have been working with. Show tables. Okay. All right. Okay. Hmm. So, in every situation, you just have to select the one you want and give it a show. Now, can I say select, let's see if we can see, select all from courses. Courses. Let's see if we are on that database. So we are not on the database. So we have to do something to bring us back to that database, and that is select uh, select oh, use meant to be use data analyst. Good. Let's use data analyst. Good. Tells us yes. Now we can now see the tables in data analyst. You can now say describe data analysts to show us the structure of what is in data analyst. Okay, so we are there. So we can just say describe courses. Good. Describe table courses, right? Describe courses. All right. And we have this there. Let's run and see what happens. Okay. This is it, the structure of it. You can see this now. We know that when we look at this, we'll find out that the entire row the duration, course duration per month is an int here, but we will not touch this. So we have to create a new courses table called courses new. You can find it here. Let's copy all this now and let's copy it and just create a new cost table. We'll copy this, good, and try to run a new cost table. Oh, wonderful. Let's watch here, see what's going on. It's successful. Good. I wish you can draw this up a little to show us good. It's running. Okay. It's running. Good. We've done this. But you see now we changed this. It was previously int, but we've now changed it to decimal. What this means that they to accept three numbers in which only a number can be after the decimal point. So if it is 5,2, accept 5-digit numbers, but two numbers will be after the decimal. That's 5,2, but this is 3,2. So we've seen this, and that is for decimal. You see, we've not used decimal before, and this gives us the word for decimal. Let's see if we can insert these values into them. We'll copy all these and put them into this new table and see what happens. Put them into the new table and see what happens. Run it. Oh, we've gone out. Let's go back to. Okay. Trying to be sure if we are the one. Good. So good. Just a way of trying to know if actually we were the one manipulating the database. So let's say select all from courses new and see what happens. Wow, it's only gave us okay, something happened to the third one. Probably it was not well written. Let's see what happened to the third one. Courses new ID. Oh, sorry, it's meant to be 3. Okay, let me just add this. Okay, you see, we've added this into it. We've added this 3 into it. Good. But when we try to describe um, the courses table, we'll see the time in which these values were added, but we can't exactly know when exactly it was added. So let's describe courses table. So we can do this. Okay, let's say describe courses table. describe courses, sorry, courses underscore new. And let's see what happens. We'll see the field. Okay. Okay, I think should be describe table. Good. And see what happens. Okay. Now, um, we'll tend to look at what you see after you've done the describe. So you can just say select all. Okay. Describe courses new. Oh, courses new. It's supposed to be courses new. Good. All right. Okay. The simple type and so on. Now, sorry, it's showing something. I'm meant to put it this way. So what happens? Good. It's a simple type with courses new and so on. It's not showing us any field, but we can try to insert something to this to make it work better. But we are going to see it on our next video, and we're going to look at time step on our next video. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my page. I still remain yours and only Ugo the analyst. Today we just learned how to use the decimal. The next we are going to put a timestamp to allow us know when a particular update has been made to a particular table. For now, we're going to continue this video. For now, we'll call it stop till we meet in the next video. Thanks. Bye.